just a couple drops of this. If you want to use it, you can for your spray. But it is
Just
not.
2 drops?
Just a couple drops of that, yeah, and that's. So it won't clog your drains, and it just gives it a little more. I also, if you'd like to use vegetable glycerin, that's another option. You can use that as well. And then you're gonna wanna put 10 to 20 drops, and that just is very, whatever you like. 20 obviously is gonna be stronger, and you can mix and match your essential oils to what you want in your, I used peppermint and the wild orange in Melissa's, and it smelled delicious. So you can use 10 to 20 drops. So I'll put this,
How much dish soap?
half a cup.
Half cup?
Yeah.
So are we gonna demonstrate?
I can't, well, we're gonna have everyone just do it all together, okay? So do you wanna start passing out the jars? Should you just tell him what you purchased, whether it was one of each or?
Oh,
Then,
Was it $2 for each thing?
mhm.
Oh, I gotta give her $2 more.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you know what oils I have as options for you. I have a box up here. But besides the ones I passed out, I have bergamot, which is a citrus. I have petitgrain, which is from the leaf of the bitter orange tree, so it's kind of citrusy too. I have cinnamon. I have Siberian fir, tangerine I have, and I thought I had a grapefruit here if I can find it as well. So you can definitely pick your options. And then let's see, for your sprays. So the spray is really easy. Basically, it's going to be water. And I guess we can use maybe the pitcher or something. So, or I can fill these up. So it's going to be water. You can, if you want to, put a touch of witch hazel, and this will kind of keep your oil and your water mixed. You don't have to use this. You can just shake and spray and just use the water and essential oil if you want to. So this does have a touch of alcohol in it, and this witch hazel, which I, didn't find one without alcohol, but
I did it.
just a couple drops of this. If you want to use it, you can for your spray. But it is
2
not,
drops?
just a couple drops of that, yeah, and that comes for it. So,